Hi everyone, my name is Ashmit. I secured an AIR of 25 in AILET and 38 in CLAT. So I chose law because I've been intrigued by social sciences from the very beginning, and law as a career offered versatile options for me to choose from, and that was one of the main reasons for me for choosing law. I came to know about CLAT Possible from a family friend of mine. She was preparing for CLAT herself and secured a very good rank at her time. So she recommended CLAT Possible to me, and once I visited the center, I was very sure about CLAT Possible and how I wanted to go about during my CLAT preparation journey. So the most defining part in my CLAT preparation journey were the mocks that CLAT Possible helped me with, because every section is covered in great detail and it helps you have an insight into the actual CLAT paper. Also, the teachers were very helpful and supportive, and it was due to their guidance that I was able to get such a good rank in CLAT and AILET as well. The preparation tips that I would like to give to the future aspirants would be that one thing that many people forget to do is analyzing mocks, and it is very important to do that. So please continue to analyze mocks regularly, and also maintain a positive environment around you, and be motivated throughout. I came, I enrolled, I conquered.